Newton's second law of motion, F equals ma, can be used to determine the force required to get this cart to roll across our tabletops. In today's lab, we're going to take this cart with some weights, change the amount of force, and calculate the acceleration. Here's how you do it. You're going to need one of these carts. You're going to need 3 100-gram weights, 4, these are 29-gram washers, and 2 6 to 7-gram washers. You're also going to need a string with paper clips on both ends. Here's how you do it. Attach the paper clip with the black string on it into the hole of the cart. Okay. And it's best to have the hole away, have the string go across the entire cart, have the hole in the back. The string then goes all along the side of your table past this tape, which can be used for measuring time. We'll get to that in a second. The string then should go all the way to this pulley hanging off of your table. Make sure the pulley's kind of in line so the string has a nice straight line, same distance from the edge of the table the entire way. Okay. Then for this first part of the lab, this is part A, you're going to put these 2 6 or 7-gram clips or washers on the paper clip, and you'll be using these 3 100-gram weights in succession on top of the cart. Here's what you do. All right, so I have the 2 washers on the clip. String goes through the pulley. String comes all the way back, all the way to the very back of the cart. This allows the string as it pulls. This allows the washers as they fall down, they don't hit the floor before our cart, which is this, just gets to our timing line here. The front of your cart is 1/2 of a meter to that tape. So we're going to time how long it takes when we let go of the cart to go from here to the tape with your stopwatch. So you let go, you start the clock, stop it there. Do it a few times, make sure you have consistent results. Then you're going to start adding weights to the cart. Okay, you're going to add, after you run the cart a couple times without any weights for part A, take 1 weight, put it on the cart, pull it back to the stop, at the back of that little ledge on the table here. Okay. And then time it again. Notice it's slower. And tape, do it a few times. Add a second weight. Again, timing it, see how slow it goes now? And then do that a few times, then add the third weight. B, you're going to use these 4 washers. They're about 27 to 29 grams each. You put 1 on the end of the paper clip off of the pulley. The other 3 go onto the cart. So the 3 27-gram washers are on the cart. I have 1 hanging off the end. For part B, all 4 washers will be used all the time. This first run, I'll have 1 washer on the end of the string and 3 washers on the cart. Measure that a couple of times. Then, after we do that a few times, take a washer from the cart and put it on the end of the string. Okay, so now 2 washers on the cart, 2 washers on the end string. I'll let that go a few times. Do that a couple times, and then take another washer off of the cart and put it onto the end of the string. Do that a few times, and then finally take the last washer off, put it on the end of the string. So every time you do part B, the 4 washers are in play. Sometimes they're on the cart, sometimes on the end of the string. Answer the questions, and we'll talk about graphing on another day.